Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Livenpace. 1 lead heart health monitor at home, HHM1. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. All-day tracking. This monitor continuously captures and records your data for 24 hours. The AI analysis support to identify 16 categories, providing accurate conclusions after measurement. Easy to use, just put it on with the chest strap, HHM1 will start recording automatically. The device can store 10 recordings, 30 hours total, or one 24-hour record. Then you can view your data using Livenpace PC software. Track results conveniently, manage your PDF reports easily with the Livenpace software on your PC/Mac. The application allows you to review your real-time analysis results and share records and reports effortlessly. No subscription fee required. Comfortable chest strap. Using a chest strap or attaching the device directly, fit your body seamlessly, which will not make it discomfortable on you. Portable and rechargeable. It is a small, portable device powered by built-in large capability rechargeable lithium battery. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.